Moole have really forced. Here is a cool place. I really love it. And he has been very, very kind.
Yo, bro.
Yeah.
What's up?
Cool, man.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh, Charlie. Oh, the Ghana. You like Ghana? Where that?
Ghana is good, but you know.
Okay.
There is heat a little bit.
There's heat?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yes. How about air conditioning here?
Yeah.
Oh,
you have it, but
let me introduce my wife. Omunyama. Because I make English. I know
if I should get it right, what actually do you want to say? You know, it has been a long time I've been there, so
here you born you. Your mother born you here, your father born you here. You are African man. You are Ghanaian.
By you know, you are witness to me that.
Ohemaa! Narkie! Ohemaa! Narkie!
Yes, bro.
But I'm there. Mumbra.
But you know, you've really forced.
Me pacho bra.
You've really forced. I love you. I love you. Your house is really nice.
Yeah. You know, say, Momo Kotrambridge, one person back and you think say America is your house. You don't want to come.
Not that.
You want to come Africa.
Not that.
We?
But you have to force and go.
No, me, I don't like America.
Why?
No, because I have my money here, I have my house, I have my car.
You don't want to feel the weather there.
No, I don't like it.
So come on.
Now what to say?
You have
a body. I already the best friend I'm in sorry. You can't remember no America. What in America? What in Belgium? What in Spain, Italy, Germany?
That's
my wife's sisters.
That's your sisters?
My wife.
You mean your wife's sisters?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You understand me?
Yeah, I understand.
My wife, Nini man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they are nice.
Me didn't bet you, Muna, Mufan say, Moso, Mukun Kitwa, Madame for them. I go in Yanum, Adam for a queen Yanum. Mumfa Boon and with the Mamma. Mumfa Binade.
Oh, you're the man. You're the man.
What? What are they saying?
She says she's like you, she respects you.
She like me?
No,
I love you too.
I love you.
I love you.
I'm the elderly sister. She's junior. She
Okay.
can't speak English.
Okay.
She's junior.
And she
Oh,
no, you man for Uti. And she might not have a monk.
Oh, I bought of your brochure.
Miss Wolfrabot, my cousin officer, you also of Rabot, you can't go with you.
You know?
Come. Later we talk.
Okay. And Brian Patrol better not happy.
Or Tnediano, so. Brian. And
excuse me.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing? What's your name?
My name is Ohemaa.
You call him?
Yes. She can't speak. Don't ask her any questions. She can't speak.
Oh,
English.
please allow him. Allow her. Please
English.
allow her. Please, can I have your name?
Narkie. You're very Narkie.
You're called Narkie.
Yes.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Boga, are you auditioning? Who you auditioning?
Yeah.
Who you auditioning?
Hey, come on.
No. You are doing audition here. You are doing audition here, sister. Go back and do your work, please. Kwana is mama. Hey, Ofri. Kwana ko ojuma. Hey. Boga, listen to me. You're my friend.
Yeah.
If I show you something, don't come here and do audition, please. Let's go to inside.
Okay.
Eat food.
Okay. But you are very nice.
No, I know, but you like that. But every day, if I show you something,
you see, you know what?
What?
The one called Narkie. The one called Narkie. You speak about your kid.
No, yes, that one.
In Ghana yet. I don't have any friend that can even walk out with him, you know. Have to get someone that who can be with me in America, in Ghana. Hey. Okay. I bought pizza. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, why? The AC is not working, man. There is heat here. Come on. Hush. The boss cannot like I said thunder.
Hello.
Yay! Hello,
Mr.
hello. Yeah, baby girl, how you doing?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. You can have a seat, please.
Okay.
So this is
So
3,000 Ghana cedis. And this is 5,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
Yeah, is there any problem?
Not really. I came to ask you, what will you eat today?
Oh, what can you prepare to me?
So what would you like to eat?
Okay. You see, it has been a long time I live outside to Ghana here, so I feel like eating pizza. You see, with some expensive drink. Do you have any kind of expensive drink here in Ghana? Which kind of drink is that?
Bele.
Bele.
One is 500.
Yeah. Bele, I know that drink is very expensive. I love it. I love Bele, you know. I'm coming, please. Oh yes. Oh, Bele. It's a nice drink. You know how to drink?
Not really. Oh, yes.
I'm sorry, okay? So, do you know what? You see my building that I'm doing it. Yeah, the contractor called me that they are done with it, but now I left with painting, so that I'll just move inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I am doing the calculations, you know. Not anything strange, you understand?
Oh, okay.
You know, you're such a darling. You're such a beautiful girl.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, and Moole is my, junior brother. I mean, my schoolmate, my junior, from school time. He's my friend. I do work with him up and down and stuff, but does he take good care of you? You don't actually have any important thing saying, because looking at the response, unsure she don't take care of you, Oh, she don't take care of you. Oh, sorry. You see, the counting, sorry. You just take it. Sometimes I throw it away. I don't like it again, 10 cedis, I don't like it. You see, in America, you don't spend such a money like this. This one. Do you like all?
Oh, yes.
You just take this. Just take this, eh?
Wait.
Yeah.
You see, we'll prepare something today.
Yeah, I'll eat
for you.
Fufu? What is that?
You make kind of same kind of what I say. Do you know Banku?
Banku. Is it
Hey,
Banku?
Granny,
Where's Banku? Hey, please, get me pizza or shawarma, please.
Okay. Yes.
What?
The money no answer.
So you mean you love it?
It's not about me love. I'm going to prepare them. I'm going to prepare the food with the money for you.
In Ghana, Banku or Fufu? All this money?
Yes.
Hey man, why? In America, do you know how we spend money? Hey, if I go to the shopping, do you know what I'll buy?
It's
all this Banku?
Yes.
Motherfucker.
So can I take one of
No. Don't touch it. Let me tell you something. As I said earlier on, you are such a darling. I just want to dash this money to you just for me, to be together. In fact, I will take it to the States.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I will take you to the States. In fact, any country you want to go. Is it US, China?
I want to go to London.
Oh, come on. You're going to be with me.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So you take it, eh? Yeah. Anything you want, you just...
Some of the...
No. That is enough. It's enough.
You said you like me.
It's enough. So you don't worry, eh? Yeah. I will take you to Canada, personal.
Okay.
You don't have any problem. You know, so, is Molly in the house? Is he around?
Yes.
Let's go. Yeah. Bro, what's up?
Now, what do you know?
Oh, that be not so pencil.
Oh, no, pencil no be iske go.
Are you talking about water?
Hey.
Yeah, I said I need water.
That me not tea. No be catch. Uti, we make us meet.
What are you saying?
Hey. So we be iska because of me no funti. O ka me timi ana the na first me no one no how. Sa nyansa na o de ba we iska to o de iska be bitimi if you na kun person won ni betimi o tell me catch.
Oh, that be o.
Masa, so one hwe am to nyam de ni brebe puma fifi o tell me catch.
Come on. What are you saying?
Hey.
You're my brother.
Okay, also we ma uska binti ya.
Me man fa ni jimi nko, oba iska so de mame. Fa ni jimi nko.
What?
Hey, Hajia, me catch. Me person won ni betimi o brim. What's our what dey say? Person.
You see, there is heat.
Some was a hit no I Ghana o dey use your brain no me catch o do my for no food dia one to nyame o da o me sika beto kuma ka bibia.
Why are you speaking that way? Are you not my brother?
With it daddy.
Sisi ya menye ne den. Hwebe me na me piefi bu side yo sina no oji me hwebe ma na 6 packs. Ya mo le so na fuka sit do hwe asabe. Ono so so de bi enim ko ase nko a na ogu nipa. Ana me na me fa we na sa. Ya mo le nko be ma ko ware me de dada. Ko obey dada. Hwe na no hu me nuanum hwe na na oye. So mo hwe ne ma kitankuso. Then the obey no on bed dan sa nyama nkosi akeka nko a. Do you quite the sign of disrespect? Na me tu amale twina. Me fa we na sa. An de me fa me ho agye.
Hajia, you know what? You have been the favorite person as food in my life. I've really enjoyed you.
Thank you.
In fact, you are sweet.
Thank you.
You are fantastic. In fact, I have to send you deeply in my heart.
Oh, okay.
I have to register you into my heart. Do you know what? As earlier when I promised you that, in fact, I will give you a huge money, you know, to begin some little business. You know, I don't want to disappoint you. You understand?
Yes.
For what you've even done to me, I'm proud. I'm excited. So you know what? This is just 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh really?
That's
why I love you.
You know, you're killing me. Take it.
Thank
Oh,
you.
it's yours.
Thank you.
Use it. Whatever you want to use it to do. And don't forget, I said I will send you to New York.
Oh, that's
physically and spiritually. You know, if you touch my lip, I feel bad. You know, in America we love it when the ladies touch our lip. Wow, come on! Oh my God, you're killing me.
Hey! Ah! Ohemaa! Hajia! Sit down, don't move.
Yeah, bro.
Don't talk. Don't. Hey,
Take it easy.
don't talk. Sit down.
Hey.
Oh.
Hajia.
Oh, my man chat, so I'm angry. One bag, still me doing on by.
Can I run out of the now?
Bing!
Motherfucker, you wanna kill me, man? Hey! Hey, you take my wife!
Yeah, I talk say my wife say you come and stay here. Said just 1 week. You go back to your house.
I told you 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah,
You thumbs.
it's 2 weeks. I told you. We can all stay together.
So
Yeah, it's nice. I know that was.
Hey, how you so cute?
What do you say?
Isn't she said?
No,
can't
you
hear
say
what
love.
want. I love you in America. We say we
No,
love you.
Sarah Jimmy.
Oh, yeah, I know.